welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing part 2 of the Makiage foundation unboxing video, and if you haven't watched the first video, then I recommend you pause this video and go ahead and check the first video. I'll be linking it in the icon up above so you guys can go watch it. I know I sound a little hoarse or talking up in my brain or whatever, the way I sound, but I am not feeling well. I'm on the verge of getting better. I'm just a little stuffy and that's it. So I do have the Makiage that I opened in part 1 right here. And so if you haven't seen this foundation already, you're supposed to already know Makiage. It's advertising on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Wherever you go, you actually see those girls doing the swash and saying, oh, it matches my skin and so forth. If you are new here, please go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a new member of Trisoni Simone, welcome to the channel. So with this product, I do like that the foundation is like let me get the foundation for you guys. So this is the box that I got, right? And I did went ahead and did a swatch test on my skin. You guys will see another video of me doing a swatch test of this foundation with Milani foundation, and we'll see the difference and compare it to these two foundations together. Now this is what it comes in, and it says more is more. And this is how the box look. You guys already see me open this box already, but if you're new here, I'm just going to show you the box and what the box says. It says at Makiage, and the front said Makiage, New York. Once you open the box, you will see how it works, and it tells you, 1, try the products. These products are yours to try for 14 days starting on the day they were delivered. And number 2 says, love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit elmakiage.com and download your return label and send back any returns within 14 days of delivery at the end of the trial, and you'll only be charged for the products that you keep. And if you got any question, you can contact them at customer service. Everything is on here on the box, and the overall packaging of the box is really nice, and I love how they set it up. This is, I don't know if you guys can see it, hold on. This is what it says. I don't know if you guys see it. It's saying over 75% of women get foundation wrong, get yours right. And it gives you 6 different steps of how to apply their foundation, even though it did give you a little step right here, or how the company works with the free trial. So as you guys can see, I got 2 brushes and a foundation with the what you call this again, the concealer. And so I'm going to be opening these for you guys, and we'll see how things go. So I don't know. So this is what the box look like. I forgot to show you guys. you probably seen on the first video, but this is the foundation. Okay, so guys, I have a disclaimer. I did do the swatch test, and you guys will see the video. The first video I got a number 120, and it was way off from my skin color, and so I did contact customer care and told them that the product didn't match my skin, and they did send me back this little foundation. So this is 150, and this is what the concealer looks like. Yeah, I think this is in 09, number 09. Okay guys, and I did got like 2 brushes, and hold on. This is the foundation blending brush. This is the foundation blending brush, and this is what it looks like. I don't know. It says Makiage there, and this is the 100 foundation blending brush, and it is smooth to the touch, so you know it's really soft. Now, what I like about this company is that they are well organized and they're well put together. As you can see, you guys can tell from the way how someone is organized by the way how they carry out their stuff, and just like oh, you can tell when somebody is a fashion person, like the way how they dress, and you know, yes, this company is really nice, and I'm excited that I give this company a try. At the moment right now, I'm actually wearing Makiage foundation, so guys, you can tell that it really works good. I'll be doing another video, so guys, stay tuned for that one, showing you guys the comparison and swatch test of the Makiage. I would say if you guys want to go ahead and test these out, I would say go ahead and test it out, and it is fun to try new things, and you know, yes, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for continuing to support my channel, and I have some nice stuff coming up. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you guys. Bye.